Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to browse by language on your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Netflix. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In case you have any problems while logging in, we have also created a video regarding that. So let's begin. Once you've logged in, you can see something like this. It's the home page. There are lots of movies and series available. You can play anything you wish. But right here at the topmost section on the navbar, you can see something like Browse by Language. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Now right here on the top, there's something like Select Your Preferences, Sort By. You can experiment with the drop-down button right here. Let's try this one. You can select dubbing, subtitles, anything. And here's the language right here. You can select any language of your choice. You can also search by suggestions for you, year released and everything. Let's try this original language. I'm gonna try dubbing. And right here are the series and movies that I have browsed. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you browse by language in your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.